All right, guys, so welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Today we got a huge project gonna go on. I'm only inside because it's super windy out. You probably won't be able to hear me right. But making a bridge across a small creek in my property in Virginia. I got 6x6s or even 8x8s coming down there, but I wanna cut the 2x6s on my sawmill here. So I was figuring it out, and I need about 24 of them, at least 6 feet long, which all my logs out there are 6 feet or more. So we're gonna try to get 24 actual 2x6s, not 1 3/4 or, we're gonna try to do 2 inches by 6 inches. And I actually need 24 of them for next month. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get that project going today, and we'll see what we get done. Appreciate you guys being here. So it's windy out, as you can tell, but these are the logs. We got a pile here and a pile here, mostly oak. Might be one maple in there, not sure. I won't cut that one just in case, but yeah, we're gonna bring them over here to the sawmill, put them on, and get started. So let's do it. All right, so we're gonna take the first top piece off of this. Now, hopefully, this blade was on here last year. I might have to change it, but we'll see. All right, so this is a nice piece to open up so far. Thinking it might be red oak actually, but I guess that's what it looks like. It's nice. It's gonna be hard to flip, but we'll get her. Nice kent. Well, a little over 12 inches both ways. What's that there? Should be good. got 12, 2 inches. It's good. Just load the second log and get started on that. Alright, so I think I'm done for today, but I got like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well, some are 2x10, some are 2x6s, but they're all solid boards. So yeah, I think I needed 4 more. Get everything cleaned up here. Got 4 more boards, so I'll probably cut a small log tomorrow, and then all my top boards will be done, ready. So anyway, I appreciate you guys being here, appreciate you watching, and see you on the next one. Thanks.